This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by taking 3 immediate actions that change how your body preps for sleep. First, dim lights and remove screens 60 to 90 minutes before bed so melatonin can rise naturally. Second, set the room to about 16-19 degrees C and choose breathable bedding to reduce micro-awakenings. Third, do a 10 to 15-minute wind down, slow belly breathing and gentle stretches. Once done, make sure to keep the same bedtime nightly. Regular timing trains your circadian rhythm. Now you stabilize the deeper mechanics of sleep. Get 20 to 30 minutes of bright morning light to anchor your circadian phase, and avoid bright light late evening so your body knows when to wind down. Cut caffeine at least 8 to 10 hours before bed and watch hidden sources like chocolate and meds. Use stimulus control. Keep the bed for sleep and sex only, and if you are awake more than 20 minutes, get up, do a calm activity, then return. This preserves bed-sleep association. Finish by reinforcing gains and adding one reliable check. Track sleep for 1 to 2 weeks. Note sleep time, awakenings, and daytime energy to identify patterns you can change. Add a final relaxation routine, progressive muscle relaxation, or a 10-minute guided meditation to reduce pre-sleep arousal. If improvements stall, troubleshoot. Adjust bedtime by 15-30 minutes, reduce evening fluids, and reassess caffeine. If insomnia persists for 3 months or is severe, consult a sleep specialist or seek cognitive behavioral therapy for insomnia.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.